A father and son duo has been sued by the Attorney General after they allegedly deceived low-income families into illegal rent-to-own house agreements throughout Fayette and Greene counties. The AG reports the men have been doing it for the past 10 years and now fears that there could be more victims out there. Erica Stanish is in Fayette County with more on that lawsuit.
Yeah, Attorney General Michelle Henry filed a lawsuit against Joseph John and his son Joseph John II after they apparently leased homes to tenants who had limited options like a bad credit score or just a low income. She says a lot of those homes lacked basic requirements like windows, floors, and doors. And on top of it, she says the duo would then take advantage of them in more ways than one. A lawsuit filed this week zeroes in on a father and son in Greene County who've allegedly leased at least 50 defective homes to vulnerable tenants. According to the complaint, Joseph John and his son, Joseph John II, started offering dilapidated, uninhabitable homes with broken doors, leaky roofs, non-functional plumbing, or with no heat or AC to consumers in 2011. The Johns would then retain security deposits and require tenants to make their own repairs while also charging unreasonable late fees. In one case, paperwork says a tenant's family member fell through the floor of their home, but the tenant had to repair the floor themselves, as they report the Johns would not. The complaint says, making it more difficult, tenants could only drop off rent in person at Joseph John Sr.'s home here in Greensboro. The victims report arriving to the home where a gun would be displayed in an intimidating fashion. Another described John picking up the weapon and loading it while talking to her. Other women report when they arrived, John Sr. would be in his underwear and would make lewd comments to them. The complaint also reports in some cases John would show up at their homes, suggesting that rent could be paid in other ways. The Attorney General said in a statement after filing the lawsuit, saying, quote, "Every Pennsylvanian has a right to safe, secure, and comfortable living conditions, and my office will not tolerate landlords who prey on vulnerable residents." The Attorney General says she's now seeking restitution for tenants as well as cost and civil penalties. And her office is asking anyone who may have been a victim of the Johns to file a complaint. We have more information on how to do so on our website. Reporting in Fayette County, Erica Stanish, KDKA-TV News.